Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here to talk to you folks about the 2020 280 Outrage from Boston Whaler. What a phenomenal all-around boat this is. Start at the back of the boat where it's powered by the Mercury new design, Mercury Verados, twin 300s, ton of horsepower for this boat for a 28-foot boat, right on plane, good top end as well. Seating in the back, but if you are fishing, just folds conveniently out of the way. Nice thigh bolster right there, bolsters all the way around. Live well, very large live well right here. So you will never run out of bait. And if you run out of bait, you've caught a lot of fish. Coming up to the helm, this particular boat is not outfitted with any electronics. So you can pick out whether you want a Raymarine or a Furuno or a Simrad, whatever you want, Garmin. You can pick plenty of room to put whatever you want on there as well. Digital throttle and shift, nice windshield with a vent. And we've got a really large head for a 28-foot boat, plenty of room down there. It's got a shower down there, so really nice size. And as we move to the bow, very comfortable two-person lounger for just cruising around, sunset type of thing. Ton of room underneath as well for all your gear. So plenty of storage on this boat. And the bow seating, and you've got the recessed windlass up there, so it's a platform for fishing. So does everything well, does the deep water well also. So if you got any questions, would like to make an appointment, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.